Good evening, brain trainers and iron guilders across the plain, and to all my woke folk who might not be either but are still watching this video, welcome. We just finished doing, me and my ladies over here, my wife and roommate, just finished doing a 27-minute high-intensity interval training together as a team, trying to get from fatness to fitness together. Always easier with a support group if you guys are blessed to have it. Be grateful for it. But while I got my heart rate going, I thought I'd do some hammer time before I get into my stretching. So, already breathing heavy, so let's get right into it. We're just gonna shoot for 500 on each side and 500 ambidextrous. Get in my proper stance. Probably. Oh, my arms are barely working right now. $20. 40. 60. 80. 100. 20. 40. 60. 80. 200. 20. 40. 60.
Oh, we didn't have the last extra.
80. To 300.
So we do this like because that one would be the
20.
Yeah, we will do.
40. 60. 80. 500. Was that 500? 20. 40. 60. 80. 500 or 600. 20. 40. 60. 80.
Oh yeah, that feels amazing.
600. 20. 40. 60. 80. 90. 700. 20. 40. 60. 80. 700. 800.
Let me switch my shirt after the Hey guys.
20.
We're in the background there. I'm serious, camera time. Part of it is great training.
40.
So, I don't know.
60.
I don't know how he does it. Anyway, so Cammy and I just went on here to
80.
let you guys know that we did our third workout of the week.
889 on the right hand side.
Third workout of the week. Lou joined us.
Okay.
We did a
Got me on the
high
okay.
intensity interval training. We did a 30-minute one event today, and as you can see, with our slush cheeks and sweat.
20.
That was pretty hard. So it was lower body today, and it was hard. It was like slow, but
40.
hard. It was weird.
Like I know my gluteus maximus is gonna hurt tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That's
60.
pretty good for me too. So anyways, we're just going around here to show our accountability, let you guys know that over here
80.
at Chez Boucher, we are definitely still doing what we said we were going to do. Accountability, y'all.
100.
Right?
And support.
And support, right? So we all worked out together, and we did our stretches.
20.
I'm going to get some paddle pinning with you here. I'm going to try. She's going to get a shot. I'm going to try and
40.
bounce some ball on a paddle like he's doing with the hammer. Let's see. My highest score is 71 in right hand.
60.
We'll see. All right. Anyways, I love you guys, and we got one more in. Woo! All right.
80.
So what are you doing today to move your body and get fit?
100. 20. 40. 60. 80. 200. 20. 40. 60. 80. 300. 20. 40. 60. 80. 300. Is that 300 or 400, babe?
I think, I don't know. Let's go 300.
20. 40. 60. 80. 40. 400. 414. I'm saying it was 514. Well, I think I miscounted that one. We're going ambidextrous because my arms are killing me. $20. 40. 60. 80. 100. 20. 40. 60. 16. Just thinking about dinner and the water. Here, if I finish it, I can't go back for more until I'm done. Whew. Okay. Got me on the okay. Got you on the okay. Yay, babe. So excited for you. Oh, for real?
139.
Very good, babe. Personal best.
Yep.
You were in the 70s yesterday.
Control left hand.
$20. 40. 60. 80. 20. Come on! I'm tired, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Half an hour straight, and then trying to hit balls on top of it. 10. Going for 1500 right now. 20. Not consecutive. Still a lot of hits. 40. 20. 60? I don't even know, man. What is my count at?
Am I distracting? Sorry. 80. Just get it. You're okay. 60. I gotta learn how to count with distractions anyways. Perfect.
40. And if you in yoga pants isn't distracting, then I don't know what is. 60. I'm done.
29 on the
Yeah.
left hand. You done?
Yeah, my arms can barely function right now. My brain can barely function.
Yeah.
And I'm done. That's it. That's 15 more minutes on top. That's a 45-minute workout. 500 on the right. I got, what, 800 something on the right. 400 and change on the left. 100, 40, 20, 60, and who the fuck knows what else on the ambidextrous. Good night.